reaction usually is. Beautiful.
Yeah?
So here's a frame full of honey. You should take a picture.
I'm gonna.
Gorgeous capped honey.
Hold on, hold it. So that's full of honey, huh?
Yeah, that's honey.
Cool.
This side? This side
Yep.
doesn't have any honey, just that little pocket of honey.
Beauties.
You on video?
Mm-hmm.
Stills. You can just tell the energy is so different in this hive, can't you?
Yeah.
And bees are just so much more like, we're just doing our thing. We're minding our own beeswax.
Really?
Yeah, I mean,
they're not swarming
they're not
around
feisty.
and-
They're not trying to move away. Look,
Yeah.
there's a small hive beetle. Will you take a picture of that?
I think I just figured out what's wrong.
Oops. Got it.
Get him?
Yep. Those beetles can be nasty. Boy, I hate them. Is that another or is that a bee? Oh, that's a beehive now.
So this is the last exam before winter.
Yes. And they're passing, albeit not with flying colors.